everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to enable video chats on hi5. So let's get started. Begin by launching your hi5 application. Now tap on the hamburger menu at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the gear icon. There you can find Allow Video Chats option, which is under Account. Enable Allow Video Chats option. And this is how you can enable video chats on hi5. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.